All right, we're going to do a spit splice for Colorwork, which is a way to join two colors together without having to do a knot. And if you're really good at this, you can figure out exactly where your color is going to change, and you can place this splice right at that spot. So what I've got here is some 2-ply Shetland yarn. I'm going to split it in half, and I'm going to break off one of the plies like that. So I've got like this, and that's about, what, 2 inches or so. On this one, we're going to do the same thing. If I could find out where the end of it is. There it is. And we're going to split this one into 2 things like that and break this off. Okay? So then I'm going to join these like this. Okay? You see that? Where's my light? I've lost the light. Oh my God, go toward the light. Okay, you can kind of see that, like that. Okay? And then, oh, there it is, right there. Hello. And so I'm going to do that. Now, do what the Brits and I think it's Meg Swanson who talks about tweedle these together, which is kind of spin it around. And then what you're going to do is wet this. Now, there are those that say it has to be saliva. There are those that say if you can felt with water. Saliva is usually what you have in front of you, so forgive me, but I'm going to spit on this. It's a spit splice. Hold on just a minute. Okay, I've done that. Now, hello. Now I'm going to lick my hand. All right. So now the hand is wet, the yarn is wet, and I'm going to do your basic felting agitation here. Lick my hand a little bit more. Can't see what I'm doing. There we go. Okay. And this is agitation, heat. The heat's caused by the friction and the and wet. So now that is joined 2 colors together like this. And as I said, if you place them, you can do some more. That probably could be done a little bit more here. You can place that right at the beginning of your round where one color is changing and the other one's stopping. And you'll have absolutely perfect join of new color or old color out both without knots, without having to weave in afterwards. It just requires a little bit of fiddling to get it at just the right spot.